fact it can go up on the wall, and we can use this table for everything else during the day, and then also use it for Alice to play with her brother and sister or independently. So the fact that Alice can play independently is a huge thing with this, because there is very few toys that she can do that completely on her own, and usually she's able to use some devices, but always with support, and she's so determined to do stuff by herself and for herself. But this has been as, if not more, of a kind of, because it seems like magic to them, you know, that's not like a simple coding thing. This is a completely new thing that they've never seen. So it's very like, they're just like, yeah, I want to play with Alice to do this, and I want to do that. And Alice knows that she can do it and join in on equal footing. And that's incredible.
It's really heartwarming to see. It really is.
Yeah. Just that we're incredibly grateful that it's now part of our lives and part of Alice's life as well. And yeah, it's just a hugely positive thing in her life. So thank you.
Amazing.